In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a device from NordVPN MeshNet. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can free up a device slot safely and confidently. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the Nord account login page. Sign in with your account credentials. A quick tip here, make sure you're using the correct account that's linked to the device you want to manage. If you're on a shared computer, double check that you're not logged into someone else's account. Once you're in your account dashboard, look to the left-hand menu. Find and click on the NordVPN option. This brings you to the area where you can manage features tied to your VPN service. If you don't immediately see the menu, try widening your browser window or clicking the menu icon to expand it. Now, scroll down until you reach the MeshNet section. MeshNet is the feature that links your devices together for secure, private connections. So this is exactly where we need to be. Click on See Your Devices. This will open a list of all devices currently connected to your MeshNet. Take a moment to identify the specific device you want to remove, check the device name and, if shown, the operating system or icon to make sure you're selecting the right one. This is especially helpful if you have multiple laptops or phones with similar names. When you found it, click Manage Device next to that entry. This will open the device management options for that single device. Here, choose the option labeled Remove from MeshNet. You'll be prompted to confirm your choice, and this is an important safeguard so you don't remove the wrong device by mistake. Confirm the action, and the device will be disconnected from your MeshNet. That's it, your device slot is now freed up, so you can add a new device whenever you're ready. A couple of quick notes before we wrap up. Removing a device from MeshNet does not erase the device itself or your account. It simply disconnects that device from your secure mesh. If you change your mind later, you can re-add the device by following your usual MeshNet setup process. And if you don't see the change right away, refresh the page to update the device list. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps anytime you need to tidy up your MeshNet and keep your connected devices list clean and current.